Hi everyone, it's Montana Rock Mom. Welcome to my rockhounding channel. I am in Billings, Montana today with Chopper, and we're going to do some rockhounding. And I'm in a public access, fishing access is how I got to the river here. And in Montana, we can go along the river to anywhere along the river as long as we access it from a public place and don't go past the high water line, Chopper, along the river. So anyway, I'm learning just as a lot of people are, and I'll try to give you some tips along the way, so come along. Say hi to the people. So I like looking in gravel areas where maybe some rain has washed some agates or jasper or minerals down the incline a little bit. So you can see Chopper's kind of on a hill right here, and maybe this guy's falling down. And it's not anything I would keep. Although some people might like this and want to look for iris agate by cutting it, but I find that if I'm in a line or an area that has the stuff I'm looking for, if I kind of just follow it, I'm likely to find more pieces in the same area. The amygdaloidal basalt here in Montana is just beautiful. It's very mineralized, and a lot of times the pockets are filled with gorgeous chalcedony mineralized or agate with banding. And this stuff actually polishes so nice. Really I'm liking the amygdaloidal basalt lately. You can see some green on here, maybe some copper oxides. It's a really great chunk right here. Gonna keep heavy swimming area. You can see footprints, people swimming, running around. Okay, just at a local fishing access next to the Yellowstone. Look at that piece of petrified wood. So nicely tumbled by the river. Ooh, got some banding on there. Look at that. There's some, like a quartz pocket, maybe with some agate in there. That's pretty. Again, I'm just kind of searching the washout of this hill. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at the colors in there. See a little baby. It's Nice one for the tumbler. When I get to a spot I want to hang out in a little bit, I think Chopper knows, and just decides to hang out too with whatever he has. What do you have there, huh? You can just sit down and look at the gravel in front of you. If you're in a rush, you only have a little time, it's probably not a good day to go rock hounding. If you feel pressured, stressed the whole time, like you're under time limit, that sucks. This looks like a big chunk of wood. All right, 2 hands, hold on. Okay, all right, let's spray this baby off. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a big chunk of wood. I'm not gonna take it, it's too large. Already kept the other big one from earlier, but gosh, that's pretty. Save it for the next person that finds it. Okay, sometimes you have to bend down and investigate. A lot of people just want to use scoopers and you know, not spend a lot of time on the ground, but I find oh gosh, look at the plume on this. Look at this jasper plume. To really find some of that good stuff, gotta get on the ground. And my eyesight's pretty good, but it's very fine details you miss when you're standing up. Hey, what is that? Hey, how'd you get so dirty? I like these leopard stones. We have these here in Montana. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Such a pretty jasper. The markings on this rock. That's just neat. Okay, so look for these washouts, guys. Like, I'm like 50 feet from someone's campsite, but I don't think a lot of people come over and look in these washouts. Could just be some either agatized wood or chalcedony. Probably some really agatized wood. It's crazy. maybe some more. Oops. Right here. Ooh, look at this wood. Wow. That's really pretty. My hunter. Oh, that's pretty. Look at banding going through that. The way the sun hits that, oh gosh, that's so pretty. So, four-wheeler trails are great. I don't know if you can see the tire marks here, but four-wheelers tend to kick up the rocks. Yep, I can see a little agate here. Amygdaloidal basalt. Oh boy. Look at the minerals deposited in those gas bubble holes. See lots of colors in there. Oh yeah. I am staying within this washway here, and oh my goodness, look at the colors on this. This green is popping out. Oh my gosh. This is probably petrified wood. Everything in Montana seems to be petrified wood, but wow, look at this. These colors. Okay. Holy cow. My goodness. It's like this green and this intense like purple, pink, reddish. Oh boy. Okay, this is a great find. I'm in love with this piece. Look at this. Oh, you see that blue chalcedony in there? Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Wait till I spray this. Wow. This is a piece of petrified wood with a lot of character. I will take it. Okay, I really have to kind of get down on the ground sometimes when I'm in the more heavily hunted areas. Oh, this looks like it has some really nice standing. Are you helping me, Chopper? Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Nice banding on there. Some great. Hey, Jasper and I are just taking a little break, and then we're gonna head home for the day. So I hope you've enjoyed this rock hunt, and we'll see you on the next one. Rock on, everyone.